Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group to go over your April 2024 local market update for the 5 zip codes that make up Myrtle Beach. So here they are. You can see on the screen, I'm comparing the 2023 year to 2024. You can look in your zip code and go back and look and compare the months to each other. But so today I'm just going to go zip code by zip code to make it quick and sweet. So if you're in 29577 zip code, you can see in April of 2024, our average sale price was $459,361. It dropped. There must have been some pretty big sales in March, some homes that were above the norm, because that's not normally what it is here in 29577. You can see it was in the fours and fours, and it's back in the fours. So we're in the high fours, so this is good. But there was a sale there that kind of upset the normal average. And let's see, the days on market are 113 for an average, went up actually the highest. Probably because there's more inventory, which there is. I see that. Price per square foot is $193 per square foot. There's 3.1 months of inventory, and you can see that right now because we have 105 active listings. This is the time that everybody puts their home on the market because this is the time we have all the tourists in town looking for homes. So it's always a good time to sell your house. Pending sales, 28 and 38 closed sales. So if you have any questions, then please reach out to me at 843-222-7800. And just know that this is for single family residential only. No townhomes included here, no condos, no manufactured homes. If you want that, give me a call. I'm always here to help. Take care.